In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21, and let me show you how to check device's memory. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now reach battery and device care. Now reach memory, it's right here. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see here, you've got a used and free memory included here. You've got also the graphic info, so this is it. Obviously, this mode also allows you to clean some memory if you want to, so you can clean some recently not used apps. Just do it like this, tap on clean now, and it will be done. And this is it. As you can see now, we've got a bit more of available memory. So this is it. This is how you can check it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.